Hi guys, it's Lara. Thanks for watching and welcome back to my channel. I thought it would be fun to film another outfit diary with some of my DIY pieces, so here I am. As always, I will link all tutorials down below, and if you're interested what I have been wearing in the past 7 days, then please keep watching. Today I'm wearing stretchy black high-waist pants with this pale pink shirt embellished with a vintage lace sugar skull on the front. I added also this white lace edge on the bottom because I personally like my shirts quite long, especially when I'm pairing them with stretchy pants, just like today. And I used the very same lace for the sleeves. This shirt used to have regular cotton sleeves and I replaced them with lace sleeves so that it would go with the look. This is what the pants look like. It's the same pattern that I have used for my jeggings. And here is a close-up of the sugar skull in the front. And I'm pairing these two pieces with my black blanket cardigan because I personally find that these ruffles go very well with the lace. Today I'm wearing this classical combo white sweater and blue jeans. I personally find that white sweater with blue denim is such a timeless combination that you can wear basically at any age. It always looks great. The sweater is a little bit loose, so it's also very comfortable. And I did not make the sweater, nor did I make the jeans, but the choker that I'm wearing is a DIY piece. I made the choker of an old denim belt and I added these grommets and I'm tying it with a faux leather cord in light blue. And of course I will link the tutorial down below. Today I'm dressed all in grey, so I'm wearing this stretchy grey shirt with stretchy jeans and beige belt, and over that I'm wearing my DIY blanket cardigan that I made earlier this year. Definitely one of my favorite pieces and so warm and comfortable. Anyway, I love the color grey because it's a color that's kind of timeless and it's also very easily combined with any other colors. And since I like occasionally switching my hair color, it's also a very safe color for me because it looks good with pretty much any hair color I have. So that's my today's outfit. Today one of the main colors is again grey, so I am wearing this sweater in destroyed look that I made I think like a year or 2 years ago. That was actually an accident because I wanted to correct something on the sweater and I made a little cut and there was no way how to fix it, so I decided to make more holes and pretend that that was meant to be. I'm gonna go closer in a minute to show you some details, but let's have a look at what I have underneath the sweater. So underneath the sweater I have just a regular long tank top and I'm wearing these jeggings. So, and one of the details on the sweater are these spikes that I have stitched on the edging on the shoulders. And these are the various holes that I made on several places, like I have some of them here on the bottom. The material that the sweater is made of is actually quite thin, so it's rather for warmer days. It is a piece I occasionally wear also in summer in the evenings. And I finished the entire look with grey leg warmers. It's basically the same color like my sweater, so that's my today's look. Today I'm wearing this dark grey sweatshirt with my wolf print that's from my spreadshirt shop, which is linked down below, but I pimped it up a little bit. There's a tutorial for how to extend sleeves on sweaters or tops, and this sweatshirt was one of the pieces that I used in that video. Originally, I extended the sleeves with a strip of faux leather, but later I found out I would like the sleeves to be a little bit longer, so I took the faux leather out, and instead of that I added a strip of jersey on the sleeves, and then I decided to add also rhinestones on the edges. And while I was at it, I thought, why not add a few rhinestones also on the front, because there is this howling wolf and the moon, and the rhinestones would look kind of like stars. So here it is, that's the final product. Today I'm wearing this long jersey top with lace details, and I paired it with long black stretchy pants. These pants are not the pants I made myself, but they are very similar. The top was one of the pieces that I had in my fashion collection years ago, although I replaced the sleeves because originally it had lace sleeves, and after years I got tired of that, so I replaced them with simple tight jersey sleeves, and I have a tutorial for that on my channel, so obviously I'm gonna link it down below. So let's have a look at the top. So it has this lace detail around the neck, and this orange strip here with lace ruffle. And I'm wearing with this top my sugar skull pendant I made myself. The eyes are made of orangey red rhinestones, and it kind of goes really well with this orange strip on the top. So that's my today's outfit. My today's outfit is kind of synchronized with the weather because it is sunny outside. It's just so beautiful, and yellow is usually a color you won't see me wearing too much. But today it felt like sunshine, so I have decided to wear this long sleeve top with this cutout detail in the front. This has been actually a part of my minion costume, I think like 2 years ago, so I will link the tutorial down below, and I am wearing it with this key pendant and black high-waist jeans and brown belt. So I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you so much, and see you soon. Bye!